It's a small tram after all. It's a small tram after all. It's a small, small tram. Come on, everybody! Come on aboard the tram! That'll close us across the yellow line. Party tram, it's a party tram. Party tram aboard the tram. Just cross that yellow line in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And at this time, I'm going to make my call for no further boarding. No further boarding at this time. No further boarding on this tram at this time. Please do not cross that yellow line. Please remain behind. The next tram will be along shortly to pick you up. My friends on board this tram is prone to anxiety stops, so hold on to those small children and loose items. If an item should fall on the tram is in motion, please remain seated on myself. Stop way off, this is you. My three friends up front, you guys are good to board as well. You guys are good to board as well. I'm sorry again. Alright, my friends on board. Once again, this tram is prone to stop, so hold on to those small children and loose items. If an item should fall on the tram is in motion, please remain seated on myself. Fingers cast for murder, stop one up, since you, I already said that. Alright, my friends on board, please sit back and relax. Driver, you are clear for dispatch.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía esté en movimiento. Y vivir en la siguiente. Gracias.
We're on our way. We can tram the distance to our first stop. On our way there, a couple of reminders for you. That parking lot receipt you should have received this morning. It's good all day today and at all 4 parks. So you plan on park out and keep that receipt with you because it's good for free parking today and today only. The speed limit in the parking lot is a slow 15 miles per hour. That is a 1.5, not a 9.5 for all my Lenny McQueen fans. Cut out like it's a highway, but our parking lot is not. So please go slowly. To exit the parking lot, follow the big light arrows marked on the ground. They will lead you to the one and only exit. And if you have any car troubles, come back to these yellow poles and flags on the parking. The security gas member will happily assist you. We are now approaching our very first stop, so please remain seated holding on the small children and loose items until the tram comes straight forward. Please stop. We're almost there, my friends, but not quite yet. Please laugh, that was really funny. And there we go to my dinosaurs. Please exit out to the drivers right. Dinosaurs, drivers right. All rows of dinosaurs, drivers right. If you are parked in Peacock Road 108 through 113, please exit out to the drivers left. Dinosaurs, drivers right. Peacock Road 108 through 113, drivers left. If you enjoyed your ride today, my name is Andrew. Your driver's name is Matt. If you enjoyed your ride today, my name is Andrew, your driver's name is Matt, and you're watching the Disney Channel. Bye, 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 bye. Have a great day, my friends. Goodbye! Have a great day! Love you, bye! Our next stop is for Giraffe and the remainder of Peacock. Our next stop is for Giraffe and the remainder of Peacock. I am going to make my call for no further exiting, no further exiting at this time, no further exiting on this tram at this time, no further exiting. Did you forget something?
Did you lose something?
Ah, I see it.
Alright, my friends on board, please sit back and relax. Drive, you are clear for dispatch. In the car park, the mighty car park, you might just find your car. In the car park, the quiet car park, your car is not too far. Sing along, a wee. We are now approaching our final stop, so please remain seated holding on to small children and loose items until the tram comes straight forward. Please stop. We're almost there, and there we go to my giraffes. Please exit out to the driver's right. Giraffes, drivers right to my peacocks. Please exit out to the driver's left. Giraffes, drivers right. Peacocks, drivers left. This is our final stop.